Hello everyone, welcome back and well done for getting this far. I really hope you're enjoying this course and I hope you're learning plenty. If you do have any questions, please do let me know. You can either put them in the Q&A box below or send me a personal message. Okay guys, so in this lecture we'll be covering how to craft a perfect profile photo. So the most effective two ways you can do this for your profile photo is to, one, either have a very close-up shot of your face with a bright and colourful background, or two, if you want a faceless YouTube channel, like many of my students do, the best thing you can do is have a profile photo based around your username or niche. Now there's two reasons why I suggest having a bright close-up shot of your face or use your username. Firstly, a close-up shot of your face can help create a personal connection with your audience. When someone sees a close-up shot of your face, they are more likely to feel like they're getting to know you more on a personal level. This can help create a sense of trust and familiarity, which can lead to more engagement with your content. But if you want a faceless YouTube channel, don't worry, we can still get the same results with your username and niche. The second reason is that a bright and colourful background can help make your image more visually appealing and eye-catching. Bright colours and bold patterns can help draw attention to your image and make it stand out on someone's feed. This is great because, as you can see here, a user's profile photo will appear next to the subscribe button when they scroll through the Shorts feed. This is a quick subscribe button, so people can just click the button quickly to subscribe without actually having to go on your profile. So you want this as eye-catching as possible to try and draw people's eyes towards the subscribe button. Okay then guys, so now I'm going to go into Canva, and first up we're going to create a faceless profile photo. So I'm going to show you how I would tend to create a faceless profile photo, as I know a lot of my students do prefer to go faceless, which is absolutely fine. So let's go into Canva. Okay then guys, so we have just landed on the Canva home screen, and what we're going to do is first type in YouTube profile photo templates. Now these are great if you wanted to use a face as your profile. Now this one here, this blue background, I think is absolutely perfect. It's creative, it's bright, it's colourful, and this one as well, this is great. So if you wanted a face background, a face for your profile photo, these are the kind of ones you want. But as I said guys, we're going to do faceless because most of you want these faceless ones. So in fact what I do is I actually type in logo. Now I look down here and some of these are really cool. I like this coconut one, that's quite cool. Some of these are really quite nice actually. This donut one's really good, that's quite cool as well. Let's have a scroll, keep scrolling down. This Warner and Spencer one's alright as well, I actually quite like that as well. The fig leaf's cool. This Light Studio. So let's go for this Light Studio one, and I'm going to tell you why. This one is really cool because obviously if we're not using our face, we're going to use our channel name. And now this one, the white background, I don't really like too much. So let's go for red. That's nice. So already it's kind of really eye-catching. And now I prefer white on a red background because I think it just stands out a bit better than black. So let's change all these. So let's go this one for white. And then change this background here. We're going to have this background here as white. And then what we're going to do is have the text in here as red. Now guys, as you can see, compared to before, this is so much more stand out, and we just change this text to Crazy Facts because that's our channel name. I'm just going to update this size here and then do this one as well. Just increase the size, and then I'm going to want to have this bold because it's a bit thin at the moment. Perfect. Okay, so that's cool. So Crazy Facts, obviously that's the new channel's name. And then obviously what I'm going to do now is just add it a little bit more personal. So I'm going to put Dan's Crazy Facts. So I'll get rid of this bit first and get rid of this and change it to Dan's. Let's have a look. Get rid of the exclamation mark, and then we'll change it to white because it was a bit of an off-white colour at first. We'll move it to the top. We'll just reduce the size a little bit. Let's go 60. Let's go 50 actually. 50. So okay, that's not looking too bad at the moment. We'll move it down to there. And then give it a little bit of a twist and see how that looks. Reduce it again a little bit. See what it's down there. Yeah, I'm not too sure actually. Let's get rid of that one. What I might do is I'll add my own. So add a text box, just type in Dan's, and then we'll move it up and we'll change the font here. So this one here, this scripty one, pretty similar to the last thing, but to be honest, I just think it looks a little bit more cleaner. Increase it to 50, bring it up, change it to white, obviously, so it fits in. And then we're going to add a bit of a shadow onto it. So effects, and then go on shadow. Make sure the shadow down here on this color tab is black, just to make it, there we go, perfect. Yes, that's a little bit more animated. We just reduce the size a little bit more and bring it down. Perfect, so that is now Dan's Crazy Facts. What we do need to do is just increase the size of all this stuff in the middle, because obviously on the YouTube you'll have a circle and not a square. So before we download it, we'll just drag and drop, increase all of these a little bit more, just so we get the best, most clear photo. Let's have a look. Bring it down, center it a little bit more. And yeah, I'm really happy with that. Dan's Crazy Facts. It's bright, it's colourful, it's stand out. You know exactly what it is. It's Crazy Facts. It's my Crazy Facts. When people see this on the Shorts feed, they're going to scroll through it and see. That's great, guys. I'm really happy with this. It's going to draw attention to their eyes to the subscribe button. And yeah, so let's go ahead and now upload this to our YouTube channel. So let's go to YouTube, go to the brand new channel. Let's go up here on your channel. We're going to go on customize channel, wait for it to load, and then we're going to go to branding and then click on upload. So let's have a look. So again, guys, like I said, it's now a circle, not a square, so that will crop it a little bit, and perfect. It's Dan's Crazy Facts. Let's see how this now looks on our actual channel when it's updated. So let's go on YouTube, your channel, and perfect, guys. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. It's bright, it's colourful, it's stand out. I'm really, really happy. It's going to draw so much attention towards a subscribe button on the Shorts feed, and it just explains exactly what we want, exactly what we are. The channel's about Crazy Facts, and there's no face, there's nothing else. So yeah, perfect. I'm happy with that. Thank you very much for watching, guys.